Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if you have a newer BMW, this video will apply to you. BMW likes to send remote software updates to your BMW. Once you initiate it, it will do a software update remotely, so you don't have to go into the dealership. But if you ever found that your remote start is not working after it, trying to do, the 3 clicks and hold it to start, or you're on the MyBMW app trying to remote start and it doesn't work, this video I'm going to show you how to turn it back on, because unfortunately it gets turned off. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. So coming into the car, all you have to do is go over to your left-hand side, go into car settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to go over to climate control. Once you're in climate control, you're going to do preconditioning ventilation. Once you click that, you're going to see remote engine start, starting engine for climate control. After that software update happens, you can see it is checked off. Starting engine for climate control. Pre-ventilation only available if activated via the key app or departure time as set. So like I said, this turns off. It's going to come up, state laws differ in the use of remote engine starter, and use of this function may violate law. Everywhere is different as far as your car idling. So of course, if you're good there, check your local state laws. Hit OK. As soon as you hit OK, it now check marks, and now you're ready to go for remote start. Now we're good to go. Go ahead, make sure it's locked. 3 clicks, hold. There we go. And that's it, guys. Easy as that. Changing it back on there so that way you can enjoy the remote start on your newer BMW. Like I said, once you do the software update, it turns it off. Very easy to turn it back on. Figured I'd do a quick little video so I can show you just how easy it is. Well guys, that's it. Big thumbs up on today's video. Check out the many other quick tech tip informational videos, DIY videos, newer BMW generation, of course, older BMW generation stuff. Got plenty of stuff out there on the channel. Here to help you with anything I can, saving money, sharing that information BMW wise. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Take care.